Good afternoon, children.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. How are you all?
Fine, thank you, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Yes, fine. Okay. So, children, we have studied the divisibility rules in our last class, and I have sent the notes. I hope all of you have written and studied. Yes?
Yes,
Now, who
ma'am.
is confident that they can say the rules?
Mama,
Who is that?
Angelina.
Angelina. Okay, I'll start with Angelina. All others, please mute. Okay. Yes.
Digit. The last
1 minute. Start with which?
two.
2. Yes, divisibility rule of
The
which?
last digit of the
1
number.
minute. Just I will make mute, then I will. Okay, Angelina, please unmute. Start with the divisibility rule of 2.
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes.
Last digit of the number should be a even number.
Okay.
Then it is divisible by 2.
Okay, if the last digit of the given number is an even number 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then it is divisible by 2. Okay, very good. Then divisibility rule of 3.
Sum of the digits of the given number, when we will get the answer that is divisible by 3.
If the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, then the given number is divisible by 3. Okay.
The number, in the number, the last two digits will be divisible by 4. Then it is divisible by 4.
If the last two digits is divisible by 4, then the given number can be divided by 4. Okay.
Or 2 zeros also.
Or we can say the last two digits are 0, then also that is divisible by 4. Okay.
The last digit of the number should be a 0 or 5. Then it is divisible by 5.
Okay. Divisibility rule of 5. If the last digit is 0 or 5. Okay. Then read the divisibility rule of 6.
The number must be divisible by both the 2 and 3. Then it is divisible by 6.
Okay. If the number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then that means that number is divisible by 6. Okay. Then
the sum of the digits should be divisible by 9.
Sum of the digits, if it is divisible by 9, that means the number is
divisible by 9.
Okay. Yes.
And the last digit of the number should be a 0. Then it is divisible by 10.
10. Okay, you know the table of 10, no? 10, 20, 30. The last digit is 0. So if the given number is ending with 0, that means that is divisible by 10. Okay, children. So when you study 5 and 10, you can combine and study. If the last digit is 0 or 5, then it is divisible by 5. If it is 0, it is divisible by 10. And you can combine which one? Sum of 3 and 9. If the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, then it is divisible by 3. If the sum of the digits is divisible by 9, then it is divisible by 9. Then you can combine 3 and 9 together and study. And what about 4? The last two digits, if it is 0, both the digits are 0, or if it is a multiple of 4. Okay. Then what about 6? If it is divisible, you know divisibility rule of 2 and 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Both these two, if it is divisible by both 2 and 3, then it is divisible by 6. Okay. Now, again, yes. Divisibility rules. Yes, again, start.
Divisibility rule of 2. If the last digit of a given number ends with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, then it is divisible by 2.
Okay, very good. Last, if it is an even number. Okay, then?
Rule number 3. If the sum of the digits of the given number must be divisible by 3.
Then the given number is divisible by 3. Okay. Divisibility rule of 4.
The last two digits of a given number must be divisible by 4, or if the last two digits must
are
be
0.
0.
Okay. then it is divisible by 4. Okay, what about 5?
If the last digit ends with 0 or 5, it is divisible
It
by
is
5.
divisible by 5. Okay. Then 6.
If the given number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then it is divisible by 6.
Divisible by 6. Okay. It should be divisible by both 2 and 3. Then it is divisible by 6. Okay. Now 9.
If the sum of the digits of the given number must be divisible by 9.
If it is divisible by 9, that means the given number is divisible by 9.
And if the last digit ends with 0, then it is divisible,
It is divisible by 10.
10.
Okay, children, it's clear? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we can continue in with other person later. Now, can we do workbook questions? Because we
ma'am.
have studied 2-digit divisor, but we didn't do the problems on workbook. Yes? Shall we do question number 13? All of you please take page number 58. Workbook, page number 58. Question number 13. You have to divide the given number by a 2-digit divisor. Okay, Devak, please read question number 13. Which page? Page number? Page 58. Question number 13.
What is the quotient of
What is the quotient of?
75,148 divided by 14?
Okay, 75,148 divided by 14. Can you tell me which is the dividend here? Dividend. 75,148 is the dividend and divisor is 14. Okay, so first what we will do? We will write the tables on the side.
Yes.
Okay, all the children multiply 14, write the table of 14. 14 into 1, 14. Anandesh, can you please tell me, can you see the board clearly? Please unmute and speak.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 14 into 1 is 14. Okay, 14 into 2. Yes, Deva, continue. Devak is there? Okay, Alok, please. Alok, please unmute and tell me the table of 14. 14 times 2. Yes, Alok, please unmute. Okay, Fia, please unmute and it's not able to. Yes, Fia. Okay, 14 into 2.
14 into 2.
Okay, ma'am.
14 into 2.
28.
28. Now, 14 into 3.
42.
We can multiply and find out whether it is correct. 3 times 4, it's 12. 1 carry over. 3 into 1, 3 plus 1, 4. 42. Okay. Then
4 into 14 is
14 into 4. We can
Yes.
find out. Tell me the answer.
56. 56.
56. Okay. Then 14 into 5.
70.
14 into 5. 70. Okay. Now 14 into 6.
84.
84. 14 into 7.
98.
98. Okay, children, you can multiply here also. 4 into 4, 16. Right here 6. 1 carry over. 1 into 4. 4 plus 1, 5. So we have written this table. Now let's start. Okay. 1 minute, take that. So, Anusri, please unmute and we can start. Yes, Anusri. Unmute. Yes? Okay. Okay. So, we are going to do division. Okay. Can you hear me?
Okay, ma'am.
Anusri?
Yes,
bit
ma'am.
louder.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So here we have
Okay,
two
ma'am.
digit divisor. So first we will check our 2-digit from the dividend. Okay, 75. Can you please check in your table and tell me 14 times which number we can take?
70. 75
70.
is
We
not
can
there.
take
So we can take
70. So we can write 14 into 5. Okay, 14 times 5. Let me take another color. It's not clear. Okay. 14 into 5. 14 into 5, that is 70. We have already
70.
found out our table here. So now what we have to do, Anusri?
So to minus.
We have to subtract. 5 minus 0 is 5. 7 minus
5.
7, 0. Then
Bring down one.
bring down
Bring
1.
down the
Okay, again check
1.
in the table. Which one we
There
can
is
take?
No,
We can
there
take
is no 51. So we should take
42. We cannot take 56. We have only 51. So from 51, we cannot take 56. So we are taking 14 times 3. Okay. 3 into 14. What is 3 into 14?
42.
42. Okay. 42. Now again we will do subtract. Tell me 51 minus 42.
We can't subtract.
Hmm?
So
4 and 2. Here 5. It's 4 and 11 minus 2. After 2 count till 11?
9.
9. Okay. 9. After 2 you have to count till 11, that you will get 9. Okay, then
9.
9.
So there
Then
is
bring down 94.
bring down that
Okay. From 94, please check the table, multiplication table of 14 and tell me which number we can write there.
we can take 84.
84. We can take 84. That is 14 times
14 into
6. Okay. 14 times 6. That is
Ma'am.
here 84.
84.
Okay. Then
We want to subtract.
subtract. Tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
4 minus 4.
4 minus 4 is equal to 0.
0. 9 minus 8.
9 minus 8
1.
is equal to 1.
Then
So it will be 10.
we have 10. And check always. You have to check the remainder and divisor. Here remainder is 10. 10 is smaller than 14. So we cannot divide. So what we have to do? So what we have to do? We have one more number. Bring down.
8.
Yes. So it will become
108.
108. Now you can take one more number here. 14 times 8. Check 14 times 8.
112.
14 times 8.
112.
112. So we cannot take 112. So we can take 14 times
98.
7. That is 98.
7. 98.
98. So 14 times 7.
And take 98.
5, 3, 6, 7. And the answer here 98. So what's the remainder?
10.
10. So children, the quotient is, can you tell me the quotient, Anusri? Quotient
5,307.
5, 3, 6, 7. So how to read this number? 5,367.
367.
And what about the remainder are
10.
10. Okay. What is the quotient of 75,148 when we divide by 14? So the answer is 5367 and the remainder is 10.
10.
Okay, children.
Okay, ma'am.
All of you completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody All of you got correct answer?
Yes,
Any
ma'am.
doubt?
Ma'am, I got the correct answer.
Correct answer. Okay. Can you do question number 14 alone? All of you? Question number 14.
Am I finished?
Finished. Anthony, can you read question number 15? Anthony.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, 1 minute. Let me first. 1 minute. 1 minute. Let Anthony read question, then we will discuss. What is the
10.
Anthony? Yes, unmute. Check.
Yes, ma'am.
Ah.
What is the reminder when 60,000 is divided by
60,000 is divided by
5?
5. Okay. What is the remainder? How will you know the remainder? You have to divide. Okay.
Divide. Yes,
Can
ma'am.
we do together?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, what is the remainder when 60,000 is divided by 5? Table 5, you know. So, it's, even if you don't write it there, write that on the side, it's okay. 60,000 divided by 5. Okay. First, what we have to do, this is one single digit number. We will first check the first number of the dividend. If it is big number, that means we can divide. Okay. So 6 divided by 5. Anthony.
6 divided by 5.
We are dividing the first
Yeah,
digit. How many times?
1 into 5, 5.
1 into 5, 5.
2 into 5, 10.
So no need. We have only 6. So we can take only 6 from here. Okay. So that means 1 into 5. Okay. Then what will I do? 6 minus 5.
1.
1. 6 minus 5 is 1. Then bring
Then-
down.
Then 0 down. 0 down.
Now check the table. 5 times which number?
And
5
into 2.
2. Very good. 5 into 2
2.
is 10. So
10.
when you subtract 0.
0.
Now how many zeros are there here? 1, 2 and 3.
3
Yes?
zeros.
That
Yes, ma'am.
3 zeros we can write it over here. So the answer is? Answer is what?
12,000.
12,000. Is there any remainder here?
No, ma'am.
No. So what is the
Zero.
remainder?
0.
0. So our question is, what is the remainder? What is the
Zero.
remainder when 60,000 is divided by 5? So what is
Yes,
the
ma'am.
remainder?
Zero.
You can
Zero.
write remainder is equal to 0. Remainder is equal to 0.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. So what's the quotient? Quotient
Quotient
Q
12,000.
is equal to 12,000.
Excuse
All of
me,
you
ma'am.
completed? Yes, Anthony.
Ma'am, in divisibility rule 2, last digit will be even number, right?
Yes, even numbers. Yes. Yes.
Then
even numbers.
after 8, 10 is coming, right, ma'am? In even numbers.
That's why we are saying
Yes,
0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Again, if 10, what is the last digit? 0.
0.
Okay.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
That's why. We cannot take more than that 8 numbers.
2 digits.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
That will be 2 digits. But we are
Okay.
checking only the last 1 digit. Okay.
Thank you,
So, can we do question number 15 alone? All the children, please do divide that number by 22. Alone, all of you. And here you have to check the correctness of the division also. Check the correctness means. Catherine, can you please tell me how you can correct the check, our division is correct or wrong? Catherine, dividend should be equal to? Catherine, please unmute.
725 divided by 20.
How we can check whether our division is correct or wrong? Catherine, are you able to unmute? Chinmay, please unmute and speak. Chinmay. How we can check whether our division is correct or wrong?
Quotient into divisor
Quotient
plus
into
remainder.
divisor plus remainder. Okay. So children, first you have to divide. Then you have to check. Okay. Start. Okay. So question number 15. Question 15 from page 58. So we are writing on page 59 the answer. So question number 15. 52,725. 52,725 divided by 22. So children, first write the table on the side. 22 into 1 is 22. 22 into 2.
44.
Ammu? It's not able to hear properly. Yes.
Can I say 44?
Ishab, can you please start the table of 22?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 22 into 2. We can do like this also. 2 into 2, it's 4. Again, 2 into 2, 4. What's the answer? 22 into 2. 2 into
44.
2? 44. Okay. Now, 22 times 3. 3 into 2. Like that we can do.
66.
66. 22 into 4.
88.
88. Till here there is no carryover, so you can do easily here. Now 22 times 5. Here there will be, so you can do multiply like this. 5 2s are 10. What's the answer? 5 into 2, 10 plus 1.
110.
110. Okay, 22 multiplied by 6.
22 times 6.
6 2s are 12. One carryover. Again 6 2s are 12 plus 1.
112.
Six
Answer.
2s are 12, 1 carryover. 6 2s are 12 plus 1, 13. So the answer is 132. Okay. Okay. Now 22 multiplied by 7.
22 multiplied by 7.
Yes.
2 times 7, 14.
2
Then
times
1
7 is 14.
carryover.
1 carryover. 7 2s are 14 plus 1. 15.
15.
Okay. 154. 12 times 8. 12 times 8. 8 2s are 16. 1 carryover. 16 plus 1, 7. 176. We will start division. Then, okay?
Okay.
So what we have to do now? Yes, Agni, please unmute. Okay. So here we have 2 digit. And we will check first our 2 digit. If they are bigger than our divisor, we can divide. Okay, now please check from the tables and tell me by which number we can multiply 22 multiplied by?
2.
2. Okay, 22 multiplied by 2. Because here 44, after 44, 66. That we cannot take from 52. So, 22 multiplied by 2, that is 44. Okay, then?
44.
52 minus 44. Yes. What we have to diagonal? Subtract. Here. 12 minus 4. That here. 8.
12.
Then
12 minus
bring
4.
down.
5 will become 4. 4 minus 4 will 87.
87. Okay. Agni is going to say the answer. Okay. All others please wait. So 87. Please check from the table. Here we have 88, 80, 66. What's that?
22 into 3.
We have to take 22 into 3. 22 into 3. So here we have 66. 6. Okay, then again we have to subtract. 7 minus 6,
1,
1. And 8 minus 6,
2,
2. Again, we have to check whether our divisor and remainder. This is smaller, so we cannot divide. So what do you have to do again?
2,
Bring down. So here we have only till 176. So we will do 22 into 9.
22 into 9.
Check 22 into 9. Tell me.
198.
22 and 198.
100
198. 198.
Okay, 198. Then divide and tell me.
Cut.
Okay.
Now cut 2. 1 2.
So what's the answer here? 9. Okay, 9 into 22. What's the answer? 198.
8.
So what's the remainder here? We have to 12 minus 8, 4. Here we have to cut. Here it's 1.
145.
10 minus 1. It's, what's the, here? 14. Then one more number, it's there, 145. Okay, can I please check the table and tell me which number we can take from there? Here we have 152. 132. We can take only 132. So what's that? 22 multiplied by which number? 6. 22 multiplied by 6, we have 132. 132. Subtract and tell me the answer. 5 minus 2.
13.
5 minus 2, it's
3.
3.
4
4 minus 1. Okay. Now, what is the check? You have to compare the divisor and the remainder. Remainder is 13. It is less than our divisor. So, our division is over. So, what's the answer? Quotient is
2396.
2396. And what is the remainder?
13.
13. Okay. So children, after we have next period at 3:15. That time what you have to do? You have to check this answer. Correction means we are going to check whether our division is correct. That is a homework. What you have to do? You have to check dividend is equal to quotient times divisor. Plus check whether you are getting
Plus remainder.
divisor plus remainder, whether you are getting our dividend. Okay children, can you do that?
Yes ma'am.
Okay. So we have done question number 13 and 14 and 15. And 15 you have to, the question is check the correctness of the division. That means how to check the correctness of division? You have to find the product of divisor and the quotient. Then add the remainder. If you get dividend, okay, if you get the dividend, that means your answer or your division is correct. Okay, that is a homework for you.
Okay.
Check whether you get the correct answer, whether your division is correct. Okay, children, let's wind up the session. And what time you have the next period?
3:15.
3:15. Okay. At 3:15, you have to tell me whether our quotient is correct. That means whether our division is correct. You got the dividend. Okay, children? Bye.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Thank
Thank
you.
you, ma'am.
Bye.